Are you a sport fan and you're looking for a way to stream sports on your Android TV? If that is you, then this video is for you. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you one code that you can use to unlock all the best and favorite sports streaming applications on your Android TV. So make sure to watch this video right up to the end because I'm going to show you step by step on how to get each of these applications to your Android TV and how to install them. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I can keep on providing and creating more videos for you like this. So as I was saying, if you are a sport fan, it could be football, it could be handball, basketball, or any type of sports. If you are a fan of sport and you're looking for streaming applications for sport, then this video is for you. And I want to show you sports streaming applications that you can have. Now on my screen here are about 10 sport applications that you can have on your Android TV. All right, now I'm blurring this because these applications might have a problem with YouTube, so YouTube might take down the videos. So but if you can see clearly, these applications are all applications that are going to give you a feature to stream sport on your Android TV without any issues. There are around 10 applications here. Yes, there are 10 or 11. So there are 11 applications here. All of them are going to help you to stream live sports and live TV. And I'm going to be showing you how to get all these applications to your Android TV. And as I said, you need just one code. You need just one code to unlock all of these applications to your Android TV. So please, I'm blurring this for the purpose of YouTube not taking down my video. But if you follow attentively what I'm about to show you in this video, you're going to come straight away to these 8 or 10 apps without facing any issues. Just make sure to follow what I'm about to show you step by step. So how do you get to all these applications, or how do you get to where you can install these applications? That's what I'm about to show you. So the first thing is for you to install this application called Unlinked on your Android TV. I'm going to show you everything from how to install the application, so just follow attentively. So I'm going to start by uninstalling this application from my Android TV so that it will be perfect for me to show you how to install it back and also how to launch that library of applications that I just showed you. So Unlink is a very nice application, but before we get to Unlink, before we install Unlink to Android TV, we need this other application called Downloader. Downloader is an application that helps you to install files and also browse the internet on your Android TV, even on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Downloader is still very nice, and I want to show you how to install Downloader to your Android TV. So it is simple. There is the simplest method to install Downloader if you have the Google Play Store on your Android TV. If you have the Google Play Store on your Android TV, just go over to Google Play Store and search for Downloader, and you're going to see the application, and just go ahead and install it. Now, if you don't have Google Play Store like me, I don't have Google Play Store. I have my inbuilt app store, but Downloader is not found on it. So if you are someone like me, if your Android TV does not have Downloader or does not have the Google Play Store, this is what you can do to install Downloader. Now, simple, follow attentively. Go to your browser. What I mean by a browser, I mean the browser that came with your Android TV, that came with the system of your Android TV. So go to your system browser, or in other words, the inbuilt browser. Now launch it and do according to what I'm about to show you. So you launch your inbuilt browser. Of course, by now you should have configured it to work on the internet. If you've not configured it, please just go ahead and configure it and search Google and set Google as your search engine. So here's how mine is going to look like. Now it's simple. Just go over to the search box. We all know what the search box is, right? Go over to this search box here and just type in Downloader app. Just as I've typed on my screen right now, just type in Downloader app. Now, once you type download the app, all you have to do is to click OK and search, just like you search on your phone device or on your desktop device or wherever you search. So as you search, you are going to see results that are similar to what you are seeing on my screen right now. They might be similar, they might be familiar, but I believe they're going to be similar. Now, the first option says downloader by AFTV News, applications on Google Play Store. That is the one we're interested in because it is going to lead us to the web version of Google Play Store. So just come over to this option, the first option that says downloaded by ATV News. So that's what we want because it is going to lead us to the web version of Google Play Store. So come over to it and click it. So as I explained earlier, it's going to lead you to the web version of the Google Play. Now, you can also install applications to Android TV from the web version of Google Play. As a matter of fact, if you don't have the Play Store application on your Android TV, then you can use the web version of Google Play to install applications to Android TV using Play Store. Now, if it is your first time coming here, they are obviously going to ask you to log in with your Google account. So just go ahead and put in your Google address and also your password, or you can create a new one. It just depends on whatever you want. So once you've done that, you can also install any application on the Play Store to your Android TV without issues. But for this video only, we're only installing the downloader application. So once this is launched, this has turned, it's going to launch us the downloader option or the page to install the downloader app from Play Store to our Android TV just using the web version. So here is it. Now you are going to come over to this page where you have the download application and you can install it. Now if it's your first time, you don't have download on your Android TV, this option that says open here is going to be the install option. So you just simply click on it, install, and like how you install app on any Play Store, you're just going to start installing to your Android TV. It is not complicated. Just click install and the application is going to install to your Android TV. Once you are done installing the application, what is simple you have to do, just go back home or go back to your Android TV menu. So we are back here and here is a downloader application. Now we need to use a downloader application to install the Unlinked application, and for that option it is very easy. Just go ahead and launch downloader. As I explained earlier, downloader is very nice and it's easy to use. In the most cases, to use downloader to install application, we just type in a code. Once you type in the right code for a right application, it just goes ahead and download the app file of the application and then install it and then go ahead and use. So as what I'm explaining, I'm just going to do it here. So to install the Unlink app, we have to type in this code. The code is 10381. 10381. So once you type in this code, just go ahead and click OK or Go, whatever you call it. And once that's done, this code is going to launch and bring us to where we can download and install the Unlink application. So just watch, it's going to take some short time, it's not going to take a lot of time. So the application is going to start installing or downloading right now. So here is the application downloading. It's not going to take time. Once it's downloaded to Android TV, we are just going to go ahead and install it to Android TV. If this is the first time for you to also installing downloader, you have to go and give it permission to install applications to Android TV. So just click install. Once you click install, the application is going to start installing to our Android TV. So just watch on. Remember, we need this Unlink application. So I click install and then I wait for application to install. I'm just going to forward the video to when the application has installed. Okay, now the application has been installed. Please don't wait and open it. First of all, delete the app file from your Android TV. You don't want unnecessary files filling your space on your Android TV. So please delete the app file on your Android TV. So now that the app file has been deleted, you go back home and you realize that the Unlink application has been installed to your Android TV. So we are almost getting there. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So once you are here, you are going to realize the Unlink application is already on your Android TV. And just like Downloader, we are going to launch it. It's also very easy to use. So just go over to it and launch it. Launch the Unlink application on your Android TV, and here's how it's going to look like. So to use Unlinked, you have to unlock a library. And to unlock a library, you have to type in a code. And the code we're going to type in here is called EMG YouTube. So I'm going to type in that code right now. So here is a code. Once you type in this library code, you launch it. This code is going to unlock the library where all those applications are. And then you can download and install the application from Unlinked to your Android TV from this library. Very simple. Now, I would recommend that when using this library, it's good to use it with a VPN so that your connection is secured, and also the usage of any application here is not going to be limited, or you will not be banned from using any application here even if the application is not uh, active or in your country. So please use a VPN. In the description of this video, I've added two VPNs. Choose one of them and subscribe. Now, once you're here, just click launch or enter. Once you enter, here is what it's going to look like. Here's the library code. So we were interested in sports application. This library also have all types of applications, but for the sake of this video, let's go to the sport application. Now, if you open it on your Android TV, you can take out your time and search all the applications that are available in this library. But I don't have time and I don't want to keep you here. So just scroll down a little bit past all these categories. You see movie apps, official apps, the other apps. You are interested in sport apps, so just come down a little bit. So there are lots of application here, but here's what we're interested in. We're interested in the sports app. So this is the second category on the list. So here are all the applications I was talking about. So I just launched this library. My internet is kind of slow, so the applications are still loading. So just wait for them to load and complete, and then you can install any of them to your Android TV. And I talk about installing any of these applications to your Android TV. How do you install them? To download an application here, it's simple. All you have to do is to come over to the application and click on it once. Once you click on the application once, there is a pop-up that is going to show up and you will see download. Now you can also view the tutorial, but we don't need that. So to download, just click download and the application is going to start downloading on your Android TV. Once it's done downloading, it is going to ask you if you want to install this application to your Android TV. And just like we did for the Unlinked application and for the download application in this video, you follow ahead and do the same thing, and then you download and install the application to your Android TV, and then you launch it and start using. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the one code that you can use to unlock or view all these sports streaming applications on your Android TV. Sorry I'm blurring this. You also bear with me that you won't want YouTube to take down my video because these applications might not be supported in all countries. That's why I'm blurring this. But if you follow attentively just what I'm showed, you are going to bring yourself here without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up so I can keep on creating videos like this for you. Thank you so much for watching this video right up to this end. And if you face any issues, please just drop them in the comment section and I'm going to try to reach out to you and help you get your favorite applications to your Android TV. Ciao.